May ura. Let's keep.
What's going on, guys? Today we're taking a look at some of the most amazing animal encounters in the world today. Come along for the incredible ride because this is Viral Monkey. This lady got the shock of her life when she saw this animal on the porch of her home. This is why snakes should only ever be caught by professional handlers.
Tatulha, tomara que Deus castiga.
Whoa! You almost lost your fucking fingers, homie!
Can you imagine coming back to your spot and seeing a snake on your towel? And this is exactly why you always need to be aware when you're working with dangerous animals like crocodiles.
He's got a 60 centimeter bite area. He's got a 65 centimeter head. Oh, no!
Yeah.
I have a feeling that this is the last time this guy will want to feed the snakes. So this is considered just a normal day in Australia, where wild animals roam everywhere.
I just think, yeah, I should have washed my hands.
Мы увидели кобру.
Отходите здесь.
Это кобра. Не, стой, стой. Стой на месте. Стой. Пипец просто. Я стою на месте. Я не боюсь. Я не боюсь тебя.
This is the danger of when a snake like an anaconda bites and wraps itself around your arms. If there's no one to help, then it will break bones.
Hi, baby girl. Hi. You gonna come help? Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Well,
Need a hand?
no, I'm gonna have Chris help. Hopefully. Oh.
Should I continue filming?
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Kind of figured.
No.
There is so much beauty in the ocean. Every animal is truly so unique.
Bir kaparsa gittik.
Çok tehlikeli. Hadi
Salıyoruz efendim bunu.
Sal abi.
Dur abi.
Ait olduğu yere.
Ait olduğun denizlere.
Şimdi bunu git.
Hadi babacığım büyü ve gel.
Parçala. Vay ne güzel gidiyor.
Bye bye.
Jangan dilindas, Mama Mia. Allah Aduh.
This lion was clearly not in the mood for that meat. He wanted to take out the guy that locked him up.
Hadi. Hadi.
This is the dangers of animals coming into human-populated cities.
About as thick as your finger?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's a gorgeous little whip snake. Got him. There we go. Yeah, so there he is. So they're a venomous species, mildly venomous, often mistaken for brown snakes, as you can.
Sometimes birds of prey will try to take down small children like this. Most bears will only come close as a means of curiosity. They want to see if this is something to eat or play with. This bear is clearly trying to see what this family got in the mail today.
What?
The groceries are outside.
Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. It's gonna take what it wants. for it.
Yeah, that's right. What, Whole Foods? Not good enough?
Oh my god. That's so cool.
You know what they say? It's a rental, don't be gentle.
Ma, ada ular di kamar mandi, Ma. Ma, lagi berak nih, lagi berak ada ular. Gede banget ularnya. Ma, ada ular.
This man has figured out the coolest way to handle a shark that is about to attack. If you're ever going to catch a scorpion, then please make sure that you're at least wearing shoes.
Mana uylar pilisoz qilaverdim. Gilam tagidan chayon chiqdi mana.
Go!
May ura. Let's keep.
And that does it for this one, my friends. We hope you had fun taking a look at the most awesome animal encounters. If you guys had fun, then give this video a like. Smash that subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one.